Good morning, guys. How's it going? This is just the average guy, stock market, pre-market watch list, and I hope you guys are having a great morning today. And you know how to do. I just jump right into it. I mostly trade penny stocks, and I show you what I'm looking at for today. And I have a pretty reliable watch list. So if you guys want to check it out right now, I'll share my screen with you. All right, first one popping off for the day is ASTC. I'm gonna mark out right here. I like to mark out the higher day with more of the full body is at. It's got nothing. Let me see. 1 day, 5 minute, real quick. It has been doing nothing but straight surging upwards. So this is pretty tricky waters here, but I mean, kind of expect a sell off in the morning. It's a real big push from $1 for it's a $4 jump almost here. So be careful with that one. ASTC, let's look at the news. Shares up pre-market. First Detect announced its Tracer 1000 explosives. Oh, great, more weapons. All right. BIOC. It's a really low price stock. Had a great move yesterday. I'm gonna mark out the high of day of yesterday's for potential area of resistance. Potential area of support right here. It's a stock you want to get in and get out very quickly. If you don't know how to play it, please stay to at least over $2 stocks if you still want to be risky. But definitely stay away from these stocks under $1 if you haven't been trading that long. So BIOC, watching this one. Volume, any, watching any, ANY. Not that much volume going on. Not too much, but we'll watch it. Let's see what's been going on. Had a spike a couple days ago. Might get another one today. We'll see. All right, PLM, Palmet Mining Corp, has a nice spike this morning. Let's see. It's trading at 114 a share right now. The highest one's 137. See, I hate when it doesn't have a good formation, a good volume showing that people are interested in it. But it's a spiker. All I need is a little bit of volume in the morning, and all I need is a couple cents, and I'm in there and out of there. So PLM, watching this one. No news that I see on TV. CANF. This next one we're watching. Okay, starting to get momentum upwards. Had a spike this morning. I might just mark this up here for area resistance. See if it has any news. Okay. Stocks related to the healthcare. On result from a trial. Okay, so I guess they got good positive results from a medical trial. So getting some love from that. Now here's an upper price stock, but when the stock moves, it moves. If you look back over here, man, it was moving when the market was bouncing up and down and the dough was losing its points. So if you can establish a potential trend, areas of resistance, right now it's so far extended, it's so hard to tell exactly where the support and resistance is for the day. Support and resistance. So you want to be careful with this stock. But if you catch it on the good upside, you can definitely make some pretty good money. And look at this, man. This is crazy. Just a huge spike. This is crazy for a ETF like this. This is a ETF, not necessarily so much a stock, but an ETF. It's leveraged, so it actually kind of contains like a couple different types of stock. But anyway, we're more worried about us making money in our and some of these lower price stocks like this. But GEVO had a beautiful day yesterday. I missed this all yesterday. I had to get away from the computer. Look at this beautiful uptrend. What's the news on this? GEVO, Highland regaining of NAS compliance with minimal bid. Okay, regained their compliance. So, man, oh, I had to split, reverse split. Yeah. So they're just getting pumped right now. That's all. Retail traders found something to have fun with. Something the float is not that high. Probably a low float stock. So marked out the high from yesterday. It is just booming up. This is very dangerous play, man. I mean, it's already out of its price range of what it used to be trading at. So now it's playing by a whole different set of rules. So I'm gonna put GVO on the back burner unless I see some credible volume, and then I'm just gonna get a good 15 cents in and out just to make myself happy. All right, NURO next on the list. Nice little jump. Mark out the high of day. Liking this formation. Look at that. Liking the volume. Okay. I'm just hoping that's not a sell-off. Oh, that's not good. Wall Street into red territory ahead of open bell as U.S.-China trade war escalates. So all this tariff and crap, that's what got TVIX jumping. TVIX is like a inverse of SPY, one of the inverses of SPI, and it doesn't directly follow SPY. So don't get it twisted that just because SPY is going down, that TVIX is gonna go up. That's not how it goes, and that's how a lot of people think it goes, and that's how a lot of people get burnt to the third degree. So, looking at this real quick at SPY, it is on a downtrend because it was bouncing up and down. It was testing this area of resistance here, this past area of resistance, 1, 2, 3, getting rejected, and now it's on a sell-off with bad news, with a trade war with China. So we can expect it, unless some good news comes throughout the day, we can expect it to, find some support around this area. Maybe not today, but the next day probably for sure. But I think today is going to be a red day for SPY. Look at that. Let's go see it. Now see this. All right, real quick. This is the uptrend. This is the consolidation. This is no longer the uptrend. Uptrend stopped, respected the resistance, consolidation, and then this is the downtrend right here. That is how you identify trends in a basic, simple way. So it's downtrending right now. If it respects this line, we can expect more downtrend. And it's not necessarily this line, but the slope, the same type of angle, if you understand what I mean. So you guys, I think that's it on my list. I think I got one more. If I didn't mention this one, VIVE. Yep, I forgot this one right here. Mark out the high day. Bam. Liking this curling motion it's got going on. Finding support in the pre-hours. That's pretty good. But let's mark this area for potential potential area of support of a sell-off this morning. And we'll watch this one. Any news? Peek to the market. Nope, no news on that one. Check out another stock real quick. How it's doing? Look at that. That's a nice uptrend. Look at that. Uzi. This company is related to virtual reality glasses. So my friend is really liking this company. It's got a nice uptrend recently. I'm just looking at this company for personal interest. It's kind of respecting the uptrend. Look at all these lines that I made. Respecting the uptrend there. Look at that, it's making higher lows. Definitely on the uptrend. I like that. Set to join the Russell 200 index. Look at that news. Oh man, that news just came out today. Look at that. I'm gonna have to watch this one. Let me set alert. Bam. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Look up some news real quick. See how these stocks are talking about. See why they're jumping off. And get ready to trade. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a wonderful day.